everyone, this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and I wanted to come on here to show you a basket that I will be making for my nephew, my great nephew. I have purchased some things from Walmart for it to go in his basket. I purchased some baby wipes, and there's actually 3 that came in this pack. My husband and I purchased this little dog, and it's like a rattle. It's a rattle plush pail, and when you shake it, it rattles. We also purchased this rattle ball, and you shake it, it rattles. So that give him something to do. We also purchased this skin protectant, like a Vaseline, for him. And my husband had to purchase him a glow football, and he's too young for the glow football right now, but I'm sure he will grow into it. We also purchased this Johnson's First Touch baby gift set, and it comes with lotion, shampoo, baby wash, and it comes with diaper relief. So it comes like, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4 things in this little basket that we purchased for him. Okay, and we also purchased him this VTech baby motion sensor, and it's a toy that he can play with as he grows. And I'm gonna turn it on to let you see what it plays. So as you hear, that's what it plays. Uh-oh. Okay, you can turn it off. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start making the basket. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the basket, and all I put in the basket was like some paper that I already had here at home, and this right here is just to give it a little height. So I'm gonna see what I can fit in the basket, and what I won't be able to fit in the basket, I'll just put it in a bag to give to his mom. So first of all, I'm gonna start with this Johnson & Johnson, and I'm gonna put this toward the back. Try to lift it up a little bit. As you see, that's how I put that. And I'm gonna put this one of these wipes, like push it here on the side, and I'm gonna use another wipe and just push it here on this side, and just kind of move that up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take this Vaseline, and I'm going to put it, I may put it right there in the middle, like the middle area, so it can sit up a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to take this toy and kind of tuck it down. One thing about a basket, if you put something in there you don't like the way it is, you can always move it around. And I'm gonna put this other toy in here, like toward the front right here. I'll probably put it that way. Tuck that in there. And I'm gonna take the football and kind of tuck it. I don't want to cover up anything, so I may put the football. I have a choice, but probably put it right here and put that there. So this is everything that I put in his basket. I'm not able to put the 3rd baby wipe in the basket, nor am I able to put this toy in there, which I knew I wouldn't be able to do. So I just put that to the side to give to her. So now I have a basket wrap. I'm just gonna place this basket, a lunch basket, over into this plastic wrap here. Okay. And I'm going to turn it this way so that it will be facing out. I'm still just kind of arranging things in here to make it look a little better. Okay. And as you see right here on the side, this is kind of out some. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tuck it a little bit toward the back. while holding this at the top. And I'm going to put a little tape on it. So I have my tape right here. I just put just a little tape. And I'm going to do the other side the same way. As you can see right here, what I'm doing, I'm just taking this and tucking it under. And I'm going to take this and just wrap it toward the back a little bit. And I just take my tape and just place it right here. And just do it that way. And as you see, I need to put a little bit right here also. Okay. And so now I just take all of this and just tie it here. I bought this foam, this basket wrap from the Dollar Tree. So it's not a shrink wrap, but I can work with it. And what I do is just take some of my curly ribbon. I have some blue curly ribbon that match with the basket that I'm going to wrap around it. Okay. I'll hold it. And just take the curly ribbon and just wrap it around the basket and tie it in the front. Okay. And I always just tie it one more time just to make sure it's tight. Okay. And I'm going to tie one more piece around it. Alright, so as you see, the curly ribbon is really long. So I'm going to take my scissors. And I'm just going to cut a little bit off because I don't want it that long. So I probably cut it about right here. And I take my scissors and just do it this way to give it a little curl. And you see how it curls up? And I take each side and do it the same way. Okay. Alright, and I have two more to do. Well, that piece is together, so I'm just going to see if I can do it that way. Okay, so this is my little nephew's basket, as you see right there. And my husband and I, we also bought him some clothes that we're going to give to his mom along with the basket. Right here. And we bought him this outfit right here. And this is an outfit he probably can wear for Easter. I think it's so cute. Okay. And here's another outfit that we bought him. It says MVP. And we purchased all of this from Belk's. Belk's is one of my favorite stores. And everything was on sale, of course. And we also purchased him a blanket. As you can see, it is a gray blanket. It's white and it has animals on it, gray animals. I think I'm holding it upside down. So, okay, see it that way. All right, and I did monogram his name on it that I will be giving to him. And this blanket also came with like a little door tag that his mom can put on his door. And it says, it's a jungle out there. And it has an alligator or a crocodile right here, as you can see. All right, and I hope you enjoyed this basket. And I will be coming back on here because I'm going to make his mom a basket. So I hope you all have a blessed day. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified of all videos that I will be uploading. I upload weekly. And you all have a blessed day and a great night. Bye.